Good evening everyone. Welcome to our channel Wise Investor. This is a short video on two stocks which I'll be covering today. One will be State Bank of India, second will be ITC. Both are Nifty 50 stocks and both are major capital holding stock. Let's talk about SBI first. State Bank of India, after a consolidation of December and January, SBI was trading in the range of 600 to 660. And after a consolidation of almost 1.5 months, SBI has finally given the breakout and now is trading around 725. So the Friday close is 725 and the high was 728.95. If I talk about the levels as per the technical charts, 694, now SBI is the most important swing for SBI. Below that, there is a support at 676 to 680 area. Should we expect more upside in SBI? Yes, we can. Further, I'm expecting levels of 759 and 783 in SBI because this is a multi-month breakout. So there's a possibility that SBI can move further up, and there was a huge volume, huge buying in SBI. I'm not so sure about this, but if you will assess the things, since the time SBI started moving, there's a dip in HDFC Bank in the last couple of months. And if you will calculate, if you buy 2 shares of SBI, you get to buy 1 share of HDFC Bank. So that's the calculation. Probably that's the reason, foreign investor or probably domestic investors, they feel that the public sector banks have more upside to it. And that's the reason there's a huge buying in SBI and huge potential in SBI as well. And probably we've seen the same in the other public sector bank as well. PNB has touched above 100 and Indian Overseas Bank was around 75, 76 levels. So there is a good upside in public sector bank. So yes, further upside I'm expecting in SBI to the level of 759 and further to 783. A small stop loss, if SBI will come to the level of say 708 or 690 or 694, I feel that we can keep a very small stop loss around 676, 680 area. For a small period target, for a smaller target of next 10 to 15 days, we can expect around 783 in SBI. So in SBI, we can see a lot of upside movement in last 1 month. So that's about it for SBI. Let's talk about ITC now. It is now trading at almost 415, and the high for ITC if we talk about the latest high, the all-time high was around 480. So from 480, which was on 4th of January, now in 1 month, ITC is trading around 415. It's also a major stock of Nifty. So the reactions in Nifty, it's huge from ITC as well as SBI both. So where SBI was taking upward trend, ITC was correcting. ITC in last 1 year has given good return in this market from almost 260 to 300 odd levels. Is touched on all-time high of 480, so which is 180 points up. So we can always see a little of correction. I am not saying this is a correction. It is more of like a retracement from the top. So there's a little bit of profit booking in ITC and it can continue as well. So if I talk about the level per se in ITC, the major swing of ITC currently is around 428 and 430 on the upside. So my assumption said if we goes to that level, say on next couple of days, we should sell ITC around 428, 430, keeping stop loss around 440. And target I'm expecting on the lower side first will be 408 and further down to 390 and 350 in ITC. So my major support level as of now for ITC will be around 350 to 360 area. Any upside trade above 440 can take this to a next step of say around 460, 470 in ITC, but I'm not expecting those levels in ITC as of now. If you see the markets around 428, 430, you should sell in ITC for a target of 400 to 390, 392 to 400 in ITC, further down to 350. And that's about it for ITC. So I have covered 2 stocks in this video. One was SBI, second was ITC. Do let us know in case you require any other update on this video. And do like our videos, do subscribe our channel, Wise Investor. Thank you.